What's up guys, welcome back to the Lego room. I need to give you guys a tour of this room before I leave because I have college tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like because I'm not going to be here for much longer, which means videos won't be coming as often in the months to come. But if you want to keep up with what I'm doing on YouTube, you can check out my other two YouTube channels. The links will be down in the description. I do all kinds of video projects and I'm sure you guys will enjoy those. But let's get into the tour. If you guys have not seen the Ultimate Lego Room series, I actually documented that whole process on this channel. So I'm not going to go into full detail with that because all of that is actually in the Lego Room series. As you can see, we went for a clean, modern look with this room, all white and gray. That way the colors of the Lego really pop, as well as the drawings over here on the whiteboard wall. I just invite my friends over whenever they're around to go draw on the wall and add stuff to it because I have a lot of really cool artist friends who've added some pretty funny and artistic things there. We've also got me up here on the wall. My family put this up. I'm not that narcissistic. We've got a couch. It also turns into a bed. It's pretty sweet. You can just sit on it, chill, relax, whatever. But you guys are here for the Lego. So we have all the Lego sorted out on these walls here in the drawers by piece. It took a long time to get it to this level of sorting, but it's so worth it to be able to build really cool stuff and find parts easily. And if you guys want to take a closer look over here, we have slopes, arches, and things like that. We have some smaller slopes in here. This section is plates, bricks, plates and tiles, round plates. Over here we have Technic, gears, more Technic, vehicle parts, that kind of thing. Over here is hinges and modified bricks. This is the coolest section right here. We've got lots of minifig parts, accessories, food and boats and superpowers and chairs and steering wheels, that kind of thing. And then over here is the wedge plates. If you guys are interested in getting drawers like these, they're available on Amazon. This is the Acro Mills company. It's kind of just sorting for like screws and nails and little pieces to put in there, but they work really well for Lego. The tables are from IKEA, and we were also hoping to get some other IKEA shelves and display cases. We didn't end up doing those. Still really want to do that with the Lego room, but I'm not going to be here, so there's not really any point in that right now. We've got builds displayed down there, up here. Boxes of Lego. We also have our Star Wars ships flying around, hanging from the ceiling. I also have a bunch of builds displayed in the boxes behind me, and those have LED lights built into the tops of them, so those are well illuminated. Down underneath the tables is where I store my minifigs that I really want to keep nice. I have my my Star Wars minifigs here in this box and in this box as well. Got them all lined up there. And in this box we've got all the parts that won't fit into the sorted drawers, just the really big parts. And if you guys want some sneak peeks of some builds that I haven't finished or posted yet, you can take a look at some of those right here. We've got some pretty cool micro scale destruction, underwater sea creatures, big Coruscant mock, and a micro scale desert train setup. One of the coolest things I've got in my Lego room is the Lego room is in the Lego room. This is my minifigure scale Lego room. It's got all of the features that you see in the large one. And I love the way this turned out. It really captures the look of this side of the Lego room right here. In these drawers here, we have all of my Lego instructions. As you can see, we've got tons and tons of those. These drawers are literally collapsing because of the weight. You can see from the back. These drawers are not meant to handle such a load. I've got my Lego catalogs in here as well. And then probably the other thing that's causing it to collapse is my coin collection. I've got it in this jar here. This thing's gonna be full someday. And you know, in here we have like, I don't know, paper, stationery stuff, camera gear, and then this is the secret candy stash. More storage over here in Vans boxes because they're cool looking. I couldn't bring myself to throw those away. We've also got rolling office chairs for spinning around, for sliding from drawer to drawer, grabbing what you need, for just riding around and having a party. These things are amazing. Over here is my laptop. This is where I edit all of the videos for you guys. This thing's a powerhouse and it has served me well. And I can't wait to see what kind of things I will learn while I'm in college to make these videos even better for you guys. And that's really all I've got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you've enjoyed the videos that I've been putting out. And I know I will miss you guys greatly. But adventure calls, and you can be sure that I will keep on creating, whether it's Lego, video, music. It's going to be awesome, and almost all of those will be posted on at least one of my channels, so you guys better go check those out because there's going to be some amazing projects coming up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. No, I won't. Wait.